Signing out of the Tesco Mobile app is crucial for your privacy and security, especially on shared devices. It prevents unauthorized access to your personal data, billing details, and reward points. The process is straightforward but varies slightly between iPhone and Android. For iPhone iOS, first open the Tesco Mobile app. Then tap the menu icon, usually 3 lines in the top left corner. Select Account or Profile, tap Sign Out or Log Out, confirm with Yes in the pop-up. If enabled, you might need to use Face ID or Touch ID. For Android, launch the Tesco Mobile app, tap the hamburger menu or profile icon in the top right. Go to Settings or My Account, select Sign Out, and acknowledge the confirmation prompt. Remember to fully close the app after signing out for enhanced security. Incomplete sign-outs can leave your data exposed. For maximum security, always sign out, especially on shared or public devices. Enable biometric authentication like fingerprint or Face ID for added protection. Keep your app updated to the latest version for the newest security features and bug fixes. Look for the quick sign-out option in the app's settings. Be aware of phishing attempts that try to steal your login credentials. Recent trends in app security are moving towards more automated features and zero-trust models. Some apps now automatically sign you out after a period of inactivity. AI-enhanced security is also emerging, with predictive signouts based on your behavior. The future may include passwordless logins and better cross-platform consistency for easier signouts. Important statistics show that logout rates for mobile apps have significantly increased in recent years as users become more aware of data privacy. Don't be part of the percentage that forget to log out. Ensure you are doing this regularly for your security.